Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, let us start lesson number 6, classification of plants. In this lesson, we will learn kingdom Plantae in detail. See, there is a huge variety of living organisms on the earth. To identify, to remember, or to study such a vast number, it was essential to divide them into groups. This process of dividing living organisms into groups and subgroups is called biological classification. First, living organisms are classified as prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic means cells do not have a well-defined nucleus or a membrane-bound organelles. Eukaryotic means nucleus is well-defined with nuclear membrane. They have a membrane-bound organelles. All prokaryotic organisms are included in a kingdom Monera. This is the first kingdom Monera is the first kingdom proposed by Robert Whittaker. Robert Whittaker proposed the 5 kingdoms: kingdom Monera, Protista, fungi, Plantae and Animalia. To see, all prokaryotic organisms are included in a kingdom Monera. You have studied the kingdom Monera, characteristic of kingdom Monera, Protista and fungi in your 8th standard. See, what are the characteristics of a kingdom Monera? They are mostly unicellular. Unicellular means they are made up of single cell. Autotrophic or heterotrophic. Autotrophic means they can prepare their own food. And heterotrophic means they are depend on other for their food. Here the example of autotrophic is blue-green algae. They possess chlorophyll, that is why they can prepare their own food. They are autotrophic in nature. And heterotrophic, example of heterotrophics are bacteria. These are prokaryotic cells without distinct nucleus or cell organelles. They do not have a membrane-bound organelle like plastid and mitochondria. Example of kingdom Monera is all bacteria and blue-green algae are included in a kingdom Monera. Example of some bacteria are Streptococcus pneumoniae. They cause pneumonia. Salmonella typhi causes typhoid. Clostridium tetani, they are responsible for tetanus. Clostridium botulinum, they cause food poisoning. To see, all prokaryotic living organisms are included in a kingdom Monera. Eukaryotic living organisms are classified as a unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular means made up of single cell. Multi means many, made up of many cells, are known as multicellular. All eukaryotic and unicellular are included in a kingdom Protista. This is the second kingdom proposed by Whittaker, kingdom Protista. See the characteristic of kingdom Protista. They are eukaryotic unicellular organism. They are aquatic, found in ocean, ponds, lakes and dam. They have well-defined nucleus enclosed in a nuclear membrane. They are autotrophic. Example of autotrophic are Euglena and Volvox. Euglena and Volvox are autotrophic. They have a chlorophyll. And heterotrophic like amoeba and paramecium. Means amoeba and paramecium cannot prepare their own food. They are depend on other for their food. For locomotion, they have a pseudopodia. Amoeba have a pseudopodia. Pseudo means false. Podia means legs. Amoeba have a pseudopodia for locomotion. Locomotion means for movement. Euglena have a flagella for locomotion, and paramecium have a cilia for movement or a locomotion. They are motile. They are irregular in shape. To see, all eukaryotic and unicellular organisms are included in a Protista. Multicellular organisms are divided into two groups, with cell wall, without cell wall. With cell wall, they are divided on the basis of mode of nutrition, autotrophic or heterotrophic. The group of autotrophic living organism is the kingdom Plantae. The eukaryotic, multicellular, with cell wall, autotrophic living organisms are included in a kingdom Plantae. And eukaryotic, multicellular, with cell wall, heterotrophic living organisms are included in a kingdom Fungi. See the characteristic of kingdom Fungi. These are found on dead decaying organic matter and dead bodies of plants and animals. These are eukaryotic. Some are unicellular, some are multicellular. Means some are made up of single cell, some are made up of many cells. Without chlorophyll, they are saprophytic. They absorb food from decaying animal. The example of some fungi are yeast, mushroom, lichen. See, in your textbook page number 71, there are two questions. See the first question, what are the hidden secrets of the kingdom Plantae which impart this green freshness to our surrounding? They possess chloroplast, and that is why they can prepare their own food. They are autotrophic in nature. They contain chlorophyll. See the second question, which are the special cell organelle that differentiate plant cell from animal cell? Plant cell have a cell wall. In animal cell wall is absent. They do not have a cell wall. Plant cell have a plastid. Plastid contain chloroplast. That is why they are autotrophic in nature. Animal cell do not have a plastid. They are heterotrophs. Animals are heterotrophs. They depend on other for food. See, plant cell have a large central vacuole. Animal cell have a small vacuole. See, eukaryotic, multicellular, with cell wall, autotrophic living organisms are included in a kingdom Plantae. The group of autotrophic living organisms having eukaryotic cell with cell wall is the group of plants. Plants have become autotrophic as they can perform photosynthesis with the help of chlorophyll. Living organisms of kingdom Plantae are the main source of food for all other living organisms. We will study subkingdom cryptogams and phanerogams. In 1883, Escher divided the kingdom Plantae into two subkingdoms. The two subkingdoms are cryptogams and phanerogams. All flowering plants are included in phanerogams, and non-flowering plants are included in a cryptogams. Here the criteria is presence and absence of the organ. On the basis of presence and absence of the flower, kingdom Plantae is divided into two subkingdoms, cryptogams and phanerogams. Non-flowering plants are included in a subkingdom cryptogams, and flowering plants are included in a subkingdom phanerogams. We will study subkingdom cryptogams and phanerogams in our upcoming videos. Till then, start reading. Your homework is learn characteristic of kingdom Monera, Protista and Fungi. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.